Basics of investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, understanding the fundamentals is key to building a strong financial future. So, let's dive in with these top tips. Before you invest, define what you want to achieve. Are you looking to grow your wealth, generate passive income, or save for a specific goal like retirement or a down payment on a house? Having a clear goal in mind will help you make smarter investment decisions. Everyone has a different risk tolerance, or how much volatility and potential loss you're willing to accept in your investments. Consider your age, financial situation, and comfort level with risk when choosing your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments across a range of asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This will help spread risk and maximize returns. Investment fees can eat into your returns over time. Be sure to understand the fees associated with your investments, such as expense ratios or trading fees, and look for low-cost options. Investing is a long-term game, so don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making emotional decisions based on fear or greed. And that's it. By following these basic investing tips, you'll be on your way to building a strong and secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.